Look at that. Look at that. Look. Ooh, shoes. Damn. What's up, guys? Brawley here with another video. Today, we're gonna do a little bit something different. We're gonna add some underglow on the car. I know that's not actually. No, yeah, that's super ricer. So I've had the package for about 3 days or so, and I already opened it, but all I did was peek in it because, you know, I got excited. I was like, ooh, I got some underglow. I got this from Amazon. It was 40 bucks, and you know, that's pretty cheap. So let's see if it actually works. Yeah, so, you know, user manual, might need it, I don't know. Yeah. And here, you know, here's the lights. Yeah, look. Shoo, they look Gucci. Yeah, they Gucci. Got a little module there. Couple zip ties. Ooh, that looks cool. Set up. Ooh, nice. Alright, well, that's all that's in the package. Let's get it. Alright, so this didn't come with the cigarette lighter, but I'm just gonna have to hardwire it in. I found a spot where the battery has the positive right here, and you know, I just ground it. So that should be pretty easy. I just bring up the device here, 3M, tape the little module there, and just wire it directly there. So yeah, right now I have it all set up to where everything's gonna go. There's gonna go under the front bumper. That's gonna go on the side. And that's gonna go on the rear. And, you know, the other side. So it's literally, honestly, just taping everything up already, and you know, fishing the wires in through all the little spaces. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's hope it sticks. I'd be recording more, but it's kind of hard doing it just me holding the camera and trying to route everything and tape everything, because that's all under there and it's kind of janky. But you know, over there, somewhere over there, yeah, you know, and then I have to route it up there, and it's hard to do it just me. So it's most likely gonna be a short video, but the outcome will be badass. It's all done now. This little thing's actually pretty cool. Like, it's Bluetooth. Look at that thing. Ooh, you know, it's not that bright. There's sun out, but you know, it's all done. This is fairly easy to put on. You know, it just sticks to itself. And oh shit, you can't see, but you know, it's somewhere down there. Yeah, it's down there. Let me light it up for you. Ooh, damn. But yeah, I got it all set up. That's temporary, just for now. I gotta go to the store, but yeah, I got it down there. I got it routed up through this little fender well thingy, you know. I got it under there. It goes all the way down, and then you can see kind of the wire exposed right here. But yeah, it goes over here under, and then that's the tricky part over there. The under the exhaust. That part, I did not know what to do because I have a center exit exhaust, and yeah, you know, the thing has to go over it. So let's hope it doesn't melt. Well, it's not touching, but you know, let's just see what happens. All right, guys, the car is all done. The video is kind of short, but hey, you know, this installation was simple. If y'all like the way this product turned out, make sure y'all check out the product on Amazon. I'll have it linked down in the description below. So y'all ready for this? This thing cool.
Alright. If y'all like watching this kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I'm gonna be doing a bunch of little stuff to my car. You know, some little, some big, but hey, if y'all do, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. So don't forget, just give it your all. Peace.